Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous day, and I hope you all are in the mood for some curry chicken egg roll. Yes, that's what we will be making today. You know, I had some egg roll wrappers left over from the Super Bowl, and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and make some curry chicken. If you're Guyanese like me or a West Indian, you know we love a curry chicken, so this will be perfect. But before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Now let's jump right in. Guys, now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. I already prepped my chicken. I'm using chicken tenders. What I did was parboil it for about 10 minutes and then I strip it up into smaller pieces. That's it. Very simple. And I'll be using some chickpeas. I have my curry powder, some green seasoning, garam masala, and some roasted jeera. I also will be using 1 egg. I have some onions, garlic, and some scallions. And for the seasonings, I have complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper. And here I have my egg roll wrappers. So let's start by adding some water here, and we will mix until well combined. In this bowl, I have my curry powder, garam masala, some roasted jeera, and green seasoning. We will mix and set aside. Next, I have my pan heating up here with some oil, and I will add the curry mixture, and we'll cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the curry can be fully cooked. You know, once the curry starts to separate from the oil and it starts to look brown in color, that's how you know that it's done, and we will start adding the rest of our ingredients. So at this point, it has been about 4 minutes and the curry starts to separate from the oil, so now we can go ahead and start adding our garlic and onions. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our chicken and chickpeas and we'll give it a good toss. We'll also add our seasonings here to add flavor and taste to the dish. Then we'll allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all the flavors and aromatics. Next, we'll add a little bit of water and we will cover this and allow it to simmer until all the liquid evaporates. I know what you're thinking, guys, that this curry looks super white, but that's because of the lighting and the angle that the pot is in. Once I remove the pot and sit it on my countertop, you will see the correct color of this dish. And after simmering for about 8 to 10 minutes, this is now done. We will garnish with some fresh green onions, give it a good toss, and that's it. This is our filling for the egg rolls. But you want to let this cool down thoroughly before you start filling them. You don't want to fill it hot, obviously. And you know, as I said before, the lighting caused the curry to look a bit white, but once I remove it and place it on my countertop, you will see the correct color of the curry. And this is it right here. This is how it really looks. Now let's move on to the next step. Now let's go ahead and make the egg rolls. I will be using 1 egg roll wrapper, but if you want to use 2, you sure can. This kind that I'm using, it's not too thin, so you know it's perfect. Sometimes I use 2 because sometimes the egg roll wrappers that I'm using might be a bit thin. So, you know, I like to go ahead and just double it. But today, this one is not super thin, so we can use it the way it is. We will brush the egg wash all the way around the edges, and then we'll go ahead and start filling it. You'll place the filling more towards the end that you're rolling from, and you don't want to overfill this because the filling will seep out and we don't want that. So once we place our filling there, we'll begin to roll. I like to roll it once and then close the two edges in and continue rolling all the way to the end. The egg wash will seal everything together, and I will just do this twice so you guys can get it, and then we'll begin to fry them. So here I made 5 egg rolls, but I have more filling left. I will place that in the fridge until later when my husband gets home from work so that he can have his fried fresh. This is for me and my daughter. We'll go ahead now and fry them. In my preheated oil, I will now add my egg rolls in here. And don't worry guys, with the dark stuff you see at the bottom there, I was frying plantains earlier, and I decided to just use the same oil because the oil is clean. And we will allow this to fry here. It do not take a long time to cook. I think my oil was a bit too high. The heat was a bit too high, so the egg rolls brown up super fast. I did turn it down, and you know, it don't take a long time to cook anyways. It takes about 2 minutes. We will flip them over and make sure they're brown on all sides, and once they are brown to our desire, we'll remove them, and that's it. That's how fast, easy, and simple this is, guys. And here you have it, guys, my version of curry chicken egg roll. It was so delicious. My daughter said she didn't want any, and then she ate whole 3 and left only 2 for me. I did pair it up with some hot pepper sauce and mango achar, and it was so good. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.